joining us for this video for Chapter 11, Problem 59 in the Vollhardt homework. So the problem lists all these signals or absorbance bands that they see, and then they want us to match those data with these structures. And I think you guys picked a good one for me to go over. So the couple things in general statements, let's sort of ignore all the signals in the fingerprint region. So that would be like less than, say, 1400, 1500 wave numbers. And then we're going to only sort of make any sense out of signals that we are pretty confident about. Especially as you get into structuralization, you'll notice that when you make too much out of IR signals that you're not super certain about, you could kind of go down the wrong path. And that's because IR is kind of inherently somewhat ambiguous. And so that's why for determining the exact structure, we should always use NMR. Anyway, so some of these signals, of course, are like fingerprint regions. We're not going to worry about those, but some things are pretty certain. Like this has got to be OH alcohol. That is likely sp2ch. These are probably sp3ch. So that much we know fairly well. And then B, this seems like an sp3ch, but other than that, it's hard to tell what else is going on. But it's significant that B doesn't have really any functional group, it seems like. And actually, really just by that alone, this has got to be B. Hope that makes sense. Okay. And then the data set C here, that may or may not be, because medium, it's not very strong. This is probably kind of this is not a carbonyl peak, and then it's probably a carbon-carbon double bond peak. These seem to be sp3ch. That is again sp2ch. And then D has both OH and some sp3ch. Okay, so what can we conclude? Well, we've assigned the spectrum B, so it's a little hard to see here. So there's A, and then C, and then D to assign. Now, of those, both A and D have alcohols in it. It's only what is this, C, that does not have alcohol signal in it, right? This data set. This data set does have sp2ch in it, so that is consistent with this spectrum, right? It's got a olefin but no alcohol. Now these are the other two. Now the data set D has OH in it but no sp2ch, and so for that reason this must be D, and then this must be B. Or was it C? Sorry, wait. Kind of confusing myself here, sorry. So C, no, that's D, or I should say A. Yeah, I wish they would have done like A, B, C, D, and 1, 2, 3, 4 or something. So A has olefin and an alcohol, so there you go.